Hello friends, how can we blur background any picture? So let's start the video. First we create a duplicate layer, then we have to go polygonal lasso tool. Next select subject. After that select and mask. Then select output to new layer with layer mask and OK. Next close the top layer eye, select layer 1, use polygonal lasso tool and select only subject. Then click on the right side, fill. From the content options, select content aware and OK. Open the top layer eye, select layer 1, next filter, blur gallery and select tilt shift. Then drop it down, then fix the blur according to your image. Finally our work is done. So in this way we can easily make blur background any picture. So I hope the video was very useful for you. Stay with us by subscribing the channel to get such videos. Thank you.